Good afternoon. This is your real estate housing market review for the Fraser Valley for March of 2026. It's kind of a two-sided coin, or two different ways to look at this. First of all, if this is your stats machine, and over here we finished one quarter of 2026. So these figures right here are the averages and sums for the first quarter of 2026, and the blue columns compare to the first quarter last year of 2025. So you look at it, if you look at these numbers, they look pretty abysmal. And this is throughout the lower mainland. So absorption here is down 54%, a whopping 54%. Sales are down 38%. Inventory is up 27%. And remember that inventory rising is a function of a downturning market or a decreasing market. Inventory dropping is a function of more demand than there is supply. And so that inventory is going down. And that's a function of a growing or increasing market. Price is actually down 11% in the Fraser Valley. But then when you sneak over here and look at the stats machine, and in January of 2026, you had 6.58% absorption. So that means that 6.58% of the houses that were on the market on January 1st sold in January. That is abysmal. It's as low as I don't think we have ever seen a absorption that low in the lower mainland. Certainly in other areas of the country, but not in the lower mainland. But if you look, it's up 2 points in February and 2 more points in March. So that doesn't say a ton other than it seems to be going in the right direction. Even when you compare January, February, March of 2026 to January, February, March of 2027 or 2025, it was 32.8%, but that's a bit of an anomaly because you look at February of 2025 is 11%, March of 2025 is 11%. So no increase. It's just sort of level. And if you consider that 32% in January, which you can see it's a bit of an anomaly, but even if you consider it, it's a downward trend in a time when the absorption should be rising in January, February, March as the spring market opens up. So this is a positive for the Fraser Valley, but we won't really know whether it's actually going to be an consistently improving trend in the market in 2026 for at least a month or two. If this continues, we're going to get optimistic about 2026. That's your housing market review for March of 2026 for the Fraser Valley.